So that's the major story. And then it was sort of rebuilding from there, like truly learning the ins and outs of a indoor HVAC system and how it's the lungs of the home and how to remediate and make things safe after that, how to take a house down to the studs, basically on a budget. And when I say budget, I mean like next to nothing. And then how to continue to clean and rebuild your life and your health after something like that.
There's so much to unpack in what you just shared. And I will say, first of all, for anyone listening, until you've lived a mold journey where it has slowly taken your brain, it has slowly taken your health, it has eaten away at you, you can't understand the sensation of, I know even right now, you just recounting that story to us brings back its own memories and trauma of what you and your family walked through. And there's so many stages to it, including the fact that, you know, if you look at mold as a bucket and these different levels of exposure, some are big, some are small, you could see that bucket was filling up like your entire life until you got to that pivotal moment where you actually moved into a toxic house. And the first thing I thought of when I, heard you recount the story with the HVAC cleaners is that God sent you someone who told you how bad it was.